Markets are starting off this Tuesday morning, 0.25% lower, pretty much in line with what the implied open or the implied open was suggesting even at 7:30. IT is flat, banks are down, mid caps and small caps should come up on your screen next. Flat for the mid cap index, Dow small caps are doing something too different, but the Nifty is now 0.33% by the way, so slowly selling off a little bit from the opening tick. Bring up the heat map. Cipla should be right at the top, but a lot of red. So let me mark the green first, very few there. Cipla 1.7% on that Kotak note. Wipro about 0.33%. Tata Motors, SBI Life, not much worth talking about. Reliance putting the pressure yet again on the Nifty, down about 1%. Infosys 0.6%. iShares, Ultratech, Bharti. So clearly telecom also facing a little bit of pressure. I'm sure Indus etc. must be doing okay, but Samina will mark that. But Samina, not much to report from here, but for the fact that Cipla's gained and gained quite strongly on that Kotak note, and Reliance and Infosys are the two heavyweights dragging the indices lower in trade, about 0.4%.
Neeraj, you want to have a go, which is one of the best performing Nifty 500 stocks? You're not going to get it.
Okay, then I'll give up.
Quest Corp. So anything and everything is moving in the markets, and no reason, but Quest Corp is up 5%. I have no idea what is happening in the stock, but the volumes are also very, very significant there. It's a mixed bag. Fertilizers are doing well this morning. So Chambal is up 2.5-3%. RCF is up 3%. GMR airports, we flagged out the numbers. The airport traffic has gone up, and that means airport stocks will do well. So GMR is up about 1.5%. Fact, Deepak Fertilizers, RCF and Chambal, those are the top gainers on the Nifty 500. This is what we've seen usually every year towards the end of the year, getting into the budget, you will see fertilizer stocks pick up momentum, and that's what's happening this morning too. Well, not too much in terms of gainers. Anantraj is up 2.5%. Piramal Pharma is up 5% Prestige Estates gave Nitco an order, and they seem to be gaining on that, up 3%. Let's take a look at Nitco Tiles as well. While we're at it, 107 crore order of tiles was given to them by Prestige Estates. The stock is up 2%. Talking about order wins, the railway pack, Texmaco, Railtech, Texmaco, Railtel, and Texmaco is doing well, 4.5% higher is what we have. Enviro Infra, this was a company that listed a few weeks ago. The count is looking really good, 5% gains on Enviro. Gravita, 5% higher on the QIP. So clearly this one also seems to be have been well subscribed. Chambal Fertilizers I've already highlighted for you. HCC and Mankind, those two on QIP news should be seeing some movement. HCC, if I can pull that, that's surprisingly is lower. So Gravita's QIP has been received well. HCC maybe not as well. The stock is down 2%. Gravita is up 6% in trade. Mankind Pharma also, with its QIP of 3,000 crores, is actually trading with a marginally positive bias. Nahar Poly, the company is one of your top gainers. It's not a large company, but definitely worth a mention because of the stock movement. 15% higher on Nahar Poly is what we have. Fairchem Organics, if you can get that one too, about 11% is what we can see on Fairchem. There you go, 11% on that one. So you've got all these.
Yeah, the Fairchem was up 20% yesterday after they released that guidance, right? So up 20% yesterday, up 11% today.
Yeah, there's no stopping. I guess, yeah, so it's a stock picker's market, and everything that there's even a little bit of room will be chased. Mid-cap index is higher, as expected. A quick check on small and large, which is rather attractive, but the Nifty 50 is down below 24,600 in trade today, which it defended quite well in the yesterday's session. Small and mid-cap both doing okay, but no trend emerging. You've got a handful of counters. Fertilizers are doing well. Real estate is seeing some traction. And that would be pretty much it, Neeraj. On the sell side, actually, let me quickly take you through what's moving on the selling side this morning. And your stocks like KPR and Mills are down 3%. ITI, Avanti Feeds, Hindustan Copper, again, no trend emerging this morning. Finolex Industries, Adani companies are seeing a little bit of profit taking maybe.